So I'm Dan Hurst, I'm Head of Attractions for Up at the O2. Up at the O2 is the walkway attraction at the O2 in London. We've been open now for 13 years, and I myself have been there for 8 years next month. We take around about 100,000 visitors a year. The biggest thing that we actually wanted to look out for was working with someone that felt like they could help us personalise and not give us an off-the-shelf product. We raised a couple of questions in the tender to all the same suppliers, and a good salesperson will say yes, we can do that, which all of the other people did. Ventrata, it was actually Ollie who came to our meeting, and he went quiet for about 10 minutes while in the background he developed a solution to one of our questions. That was instrumental to the decision, because it felt like we were going to get someone who understood, and they weren't selling us, they were actually understanding the problems we faced and were looking to fix it rather than changing what we were doing. He was willing to change the system, that was a big part. But all of the reporting was amazing, but it was the ability to how I could make more money out of my ticketing platform in the future. So we work with a decent size amount of parties. Over the years it's been very, very much manual, a couple on their own individual APIs and a couple who manually load in pricing over the top of all of them. I can now say we are one away from having a full set of everybody connect. That is the achievement of year one that we really wanted to get to as well. And we're now able to change pricing and everybody see that change immediately. So that's the first thing. The other thing we've started to see is the spend per head in the basket, because we're able to add more extras or add-ons onto the experience. Before we were only able to add one on our old system. Now we're able to do a menu of choices, and we're able to add more and it's actually more having the confidence to do what we do as for walk-up customers, but with the pre-book side of things as well. Getting that agreed spend before they get there is really big for us, because it also helps with the retail spend in the shop at the end as well. So we've kind of got 2 to 3 parts of the journey, and it's allowed us to now get the spend per head up in the basket, but also we've added more packages than we've sold ever before as well. For anyone that's interested, if they're looking at platforms, Ventrata obviously has to be included in that. I think it's understanding what is your need and what you want from the platform. Most likely Ventrata will be able to do all of it, but it's understanding what they do and is that the priority. I think working out whether it is about connectivity, whether it is about a front-end website that you want, or whether it is about packages or reporting, you need to probably venture in to find out what it is you want from the system as your priority. Make sure that they're perfect for you.